Welcome back, and here we are with this problem on page 32 if you're looking at that right now. So let's start. I'm going to start with all of this straight path here. There are some measurements that we have to guesstimate. For example, this dimension right here, this section, we have to guess also here, and I guess those to be 15. So that are the measurement that we need to guess. And also this is 18 and that is 15. In the problem, if you're looking at it right now, it's actually say 180 and 150. Actually, there's a typo on that. Also, we're going to look at the whole measurement here. If you see that this is 5, right? There are 9 slots. 9 times 5 is 45. And then we got 2.5. There's 8 of them. So you add all of that up, it gives you 65. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to draw this problem using lines. I'm going to start to the left 10, down 20, and then I'll go to the right 50. This is where I'm going to guess 15 up, then continue with this, which is 100. This is the 15 that's given. We're going to go in 20. And then if I take 15 away from 36.5, that would be 36.3. So it's going to be 21.3. Okay. Then I'm going to go in 10. And this is where I'm guessing the 15. All right. And then I'm going to go ahead and do a 65 here. Going up 15 because we guessed that the right side 15, the left side should also be the same. And then this one will be the given information, which is 15 from the problem is given 15. And then for this one, that will be 18 at 146 degree. Okay, and then we're going to close out the problem with 21.3. Okay, that's it. And when that is done, what we're going to do is we're going to look into this radius of 10 here. So I'm going to go to a circle, take that. I'm going to do 10 here. Then I'll do circle again. I'm going to go to the center, intersect that. That will be the center for the new 10 radius. And that is the one that we actually need. We don't need this one right here. Go to line segment. I'm going to draw this down 10. And then I'm going to go ahead connect it to this right here by tangent. Hit escape. I'm going to go ahead and trim out. We're going to trim out the thing that I need to trim out right there. Voila. That is what you're looking at. If you do a quick check, you got the radius there. You got everything that you need. Okay. All right. So that is done for that section. Over here, let's go into here. The radius is 42.8. So I'm going to go ahead and use the start and radius. I'm going to start here and here. And the radius will be, this one is open down. So I'm going to hit escape. I'm going to go back to it. Start and radius. I'm going to go start with this side and with this side. So there you go. 42.8. That's what I have. Right. And we know that the dimension is 5 here. And then also this is 2.5. So that very easy. We're going to go ahead and take this. I'm going to offset it 5 unit. Let's going to do that again. Offset it 5 unit to the right. Something wrong. Sorry. 5 unit. Enter. Take this. Move to the right. Okay. That's 5 unit. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to extend it this. I'm trying to go past that right there. I'm going to try to go past that a little bit. All right. I'm going to go ahead and offset that now 2.5. So take that to the right. Okay, so that is what I need. I'm going to go ahead and click on array. Do this, hit enter. And you can see in the problem, we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. So I'm going to go ahead first. I want to make sure that this is only 1. All right. And We want 8 of them, right? And what the gap is going to be. So you can see the gap here is from here to here is 5. So you got 5 here, right? That distance is 5 plus 2.5. So that is 7.5. The gap between those is 7.5. So I'm going to do that again. Array, this 2 here, hit enter. We want 1, and I want 8 of those. And the gap will be 7.5. Okay, so there you are. With that, we can go now trim them. I don't think we can, so I'm going to click on it. I'm going to explode first. When I explode it, I'll be able to trim now. All right, continue with my trim. Make sure you trim the section that you allowed to, and then go down here and trim all of this out. Let's make sure we trim the correct section. All right, so that is done for that end. And then we can see that we have this little thing here in the center, the 15. So what I would do is I will go into my center line. I'm going to construct that section there. That's going to help me find the center of it. I'm going to construct that down there. Okay. We're going to go ahead and click on that, get rid of it, hit escape. And then now I'm going to offset it because it's 15. I'm going to offset it 7.5 each direction. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and trim this right here and there. I think I'm going to go ahead and trim this one as well. And then I'm going to change this back to my construction layer so that is continuous. Right? So that is done. I'm going to go ahead and do something here real quick. I'm going to offset 2.5. And then I'm going to offset this 2.5. This is me just doing something extra. I'm going to extend it that. I'm going to extend it that. Then I'll just get rid of this here. All right. So that is what I have for that. I'm going to go over here. We're going to look at this right here. I have 15 and I got 5. So take that information, going over here, go to midpoint. I'm going to do 15 here. All right, hit escape, and then I'm going to offset this 2.5 because the total is 5. So 2.5 up, 2.5 down. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that these are now in my construction segment. And then I'm going to go ahead and connect this right. Oops. I'm going to go ahead and connect that right there. From that to that. I'm going to now offset 2.5. Again, this is what I'm guessing. I'm going to do that again. This section is where I'm guessing that it is 2.5 because it's actually not given in the problem. So I'm guessing that, and also get rid of that. Now I'm going to turn this back into my construction layer, and I'll go into extend. I'm going to extend this. I'm going to get rid of that. I also going to offset 2.5. This one over. I'm going to extend it this as well that way, and voila. The problem is complete, I believe. That is all for that problem. All you have to do now is just take out your dimension and you should be good. So if you do dimension, you can see here, there, that's 15. This right here, you can see 21.3. Distance from here to here is 5. So this problem is done. Thank you for watching.